Can you help me open this? It's okay, because we're inside right now. We're watching the video. Well, if you're watching, I'm in it, I guess. But we're doing videos. We're hanging. Can you help me? He's not coming. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, it is day 3 of March 2020, a box week, also known as the Corona box week. We're just gonna go with it. I know, probably shouldn't be saying that. But essentially this is the box week where everyone's on lockdown, where the world is going crazy and we're all being quarantined to our homes or social distancing, wherever it's called. So I feel like of all the times to ever have an unboxing week, this is the best time ever. Because it's sad out there. Like, it's getting a little freaky. I won't lie to you. Like, I'm getting a little freaked out. But it's okay, because we're inside right now. We're watching the video. Well, if you're watching, I'm in it, I guess. But we're doing videos. We're hanging out. We're gonna just like Drew Crew Connect. That's just what we're doing. That's it. So, also side note, the eyeshadow I'm wearing is, this is that palette that Joshy insisted I keep in the BoxyCharm video last night, except for it didn't have black, so I added the black eyeshadow. But yeah, I used that new palette from the one that was in the BoxyCharm box last night to make this eye look, because I was like, I'm gonna do something smoky. Well, smoky sexy. I'm working on my makeup skills. That's what I'm working on. My makeup skills during the coronavirus shutdown. I was like, I'm gonna work on me, my makeup, my hair, all of that. That's just where I'm at with my life. That's it. That's all I have right now. I mean, I have my family, but like for me personally, that's it. So we're fine. Everything's fine. So tonight we're opening up the Allure box, Allure Beauty. This box is $15 per month. If you're watching this video and you're like, I'm gonna check that subscription out for myself, in the description box below, there's a link. You can check it out. I've got a link for you. Also, my hair keeps falling on my face. I feel like my hair is cute, but it keeps falling on my face, so I'm like not happy about that, but I'm happy with the way that it looks. Whatever. Okay. So, Allure, we talk about this every time. I guess I'll just keep doing it. It's one of those boxes, it's either up here, it's way down here. There's no middle with Allure. I think there's maybe been one box in the history of Allure where there was like a middle where you're like, it's cool. Either they're like the most bomb box, $15, or you're just like, wow, could have gotten a lot more for $15. That's pretty much Allure. But lately, I will say, for the most part, for like the last year, they have had more of the up here boxes than the down here boxes. So we'll just put it that way. Every month you get a little booklet, tells you about the stuff that you're gonna get inside of your box. So I won't get into that yet, but I'll actually try to look at that and try to make these videos more informative, since this is all we have right now. This is it. Nothing left. All right, inside we have Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter. Ooh, by Dr. Botanicals. What is this? Rescue butter. What are you supposed to do with this? Where's the directions? Usage. Multi-use balm. Uses a moisturizer. Rub small amounts of balm between your fingers, then apply to your face and massage until absorbed. Uses a treatment. Apply to any dry or cracked areas used, such as lips, eyebrows, and heels. Uses a cleanser. I didn't see that coming. Massage a generous amount throughout your face and gently wipe away with cotton pad or cloth. Rinse after. Well, yeah, obviously. We're gonna open this up. We need to know what's going on here if I can get it open. This has got a lot of sticky tape on it, and it's the kind that doesn't want to open. I didn't come with any scissors, so I'm not prepared. And I didn't come with Josh in this video, so I'm not prepared. I may actually have to, oh, where's John Wayne? Hold on. Mr. Wayne's here. I forgot. Yeah, you guys, Mr. Wayne's back. The main man of my channel. John Wayne, he's back to see us. It's been a good time. We've missed him. John, where were you? I actually forget. Oh yeah, John was like in a box over there. I was like, John Wayne, what are you doing over there? Anyway, so this is the stuff. This is the weird, the balm stuff. I'm gonna try it. Oh, it's got a little protective seal. Okay guys, we get it. All right. Wash your hands. I know. All right, let's try this on my hand. Okay, so far it has like a very lemony smell. I mean, I'm not surprised it has like lemon in the name. It's very thick. I wouldn't want to wash my face with this. I'm just gonna say that. Like, I feel like, honestly, whenever I've used like, I remember when like facial oil cleansers were like the big deal. My skin was like, broke out immediately. I also probably wouldn't want to use this even as a facial moisturizer. This stuff is really thick. Now for my hands though, this seems incredible, especially with how much we're washing them right now. Looking at you, COVID-19. Looking at you. You know, that's kind of appropriate. Also, I should probably close my knife down. I don't need it open inside of the box. That's dangerous. All right, next we have Rodial Rodeo Beauty Glamo Lash Mascara, Extreme Black Lash Maximizer. Oh, you guys, Rodeo Beauty, this is the stuff. This brand is like the one that like Kim Kardashian's makeup artist uses on her before he puts on her makeup. So I gotta keep this. I gotta check it out. I don't know. I feel like, I'm gonna be honest with you, I feel like this month I'm gonna probably end up experimenting with a lot more products and keeping them because like nothing to do but try a bunch of new products out. Like that's it. Like I was like, I'm gonna work on my makeup skills. I'm gonna try stuff out. I can't get this open to save my life. Can't do it. Maybe now. Nope. No. No. Nothing's changed. Joshy! Can you help me? He's not coming. Can you help me open this? Hold on, the door is locked. Can you help me open this? Where are you? Come back. You're in the video now.
Oh.
Well, Joshy's in the... Oh, can you open that? I tried. You can't get it. Also, you should feel this hand cream. It's really nice. I think everybody...
No, wait until after. No, let me open this first, because otherwise it's gonna... No, it's hand cream, not arm cream. Stop. I'll get up and leave the video. Oh my gosh, you just put it on my watch.
It pooted on you. Can you open this or not? Why is this taking so long?
Because I'm trying to survive the fight of my life and not get
okay,
cream on
so this is Rodeo Beauty. Don't get the lotion on me.
Okay, but I gotta go because there's not enough room for me on here. I'm like
I'll scoot over.
Half a face.
Get on. Get in the video. Okay, let's see what the spoolie looks like. Oh my goodness.
Oh, it smells good.
Looks like a regular mascara spoolie. I'm gonna put it on now. I don't care. I'm excited about it.
It's okay for me now.
Okay. Alright, well thanks for hanging out.
You're welcome.
Alright,
bye guys.
Okay, bye honey. Alright, well thanks for opening that for me. I'm really excited to try out the mascara. Bye babe, love ya. Okay, see ya. Okay. Next we have Ritual of Ayurveda Harmonizing Foaming Shower Gel. I think I actually tried this one before. What scent is this? Indian Rose and Sweet Almond Oil. Ooh. Smells really nice. It's really strong. Oh my goodness. I'm going to put this in the stockpile giveaway. This looks like a fancy body wash. I feel like somebody will enjoy this. Let's go into the giveaway box. I'm not even going to recap it. So just look at it now. That's and it's in there. So that's it. It's done. Alright. Next we have Mamande Red Energy Recovery Serum. Ooh. This looks really cool. Mamande, we've had this brand before. I think they've sent us like face masks and stuff. I actually have a decent amount of serums. So I'm going to put this one in the stockpile giveaway. Also, this is Red Energy Recovery Serum. It looks nice. Blossoming Energy. I'm putting that in there too. Next we have Floss. My new favorite lip gloss. Lip gloss? Oh, I love lip gloss. That's one thing keeping me alive right now, emotionally. Ooh, look at this. Look at that. It's like a nudie. It's a pretty little nudie color. My new favorite lip gloss, LAX. It's kind of awkward with all the stuff going on right now in the country. Oh, wow. Okay, let's see what... Oh, that's a pretty nude. That's a real pretty nude. You see that? That's pretty. That's real pretty. I like it. Oh, it's got like a cookie smell, and it smells like cookies. It might be my new favorite lip gloss. That's exciting. And then, oh, a hyaluronic moisturizing from Lapkos Cosmetics face mask, Derma mask, hyaluronic. So let's recap what we got here. In here somewhere, can't get it. All right, so we got the mascara, and the mascara is $28. So that basically paid for the box. It's full size, so that's nice. Obviously, you can see that stuff. The full size of the serum, if you were to buy it, is $40. So it's actually pretty affordable if you actually liked it for a serum, 40 bucks. Like a lot of the mid-range serums are like $70, so that's a good price. And then the lotion is $14.90. I mean, and you got like a good size of this. I don't know, like I like the way it feels, but again, I don't think I'd like it for my face. I just feel like even if like with how my skin get really dry, it would be the kind of hydration that would cause me to have a breakout. I don't know. That's just kind of my thoughts, especially with it being a little scented too. I also feel like that could irritate people's skin. So I don't really know if I see its purpose as moisturizer for like your face, but I feel like on dry spots in your body, perfection. We got the Floss Gloss, which is $16. The Ritual Body Wash, if you were to get the full size, is $9.50. And then the face masks are $3 each. Apparently you either got the one that I got or you got a ceramide. I don't know how to say it. Wish Josh was here to Google it. Anyways, so yeah. And yeah, but you know what? I'm actually gonna put the face mask in the stock by giveaway as well. Just because I just ordered a bunch of face masks today. And I've tried that brand before. And I feel like I'm gonna share the love with you guys. So that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at JustLikeDrew, spelled the same way it is down below. If you want to be a part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we are literally the best crew around, because anybody and everybody can meet our crew. I love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for a new video while we are all still social distancing, but like hanging out at a distance, I guess. I don't know. Still learning. But I love you guys. Talk to you. I love you. Goodbye. Goodbye. We have to use both of us. We have to do it like, huh?
It's skin tone differences.
Yes. Okay.
Ooh.
So that's pop up like goes ooh. How do you know you're